Project management is a challenging, but highly rewarding field that is expected to grow at a steady rate, an estimated 33% by 2027, according to the Project Management Institute. Hello everyone. I am Jahangir Alam from Jahangir Study Hub. Viewers, in this video, I will discuss what is project? What is project management? Why project management need? Project management constraint, project management phases and role of project manager. A project is a temporary endeavor that create a unique product or services within clearly specified time, cost, and quality. Project has start time and finish time. There are three types of project, like small project, medium project, and big project. Project management is the skill, tools, and management process by that a project is complete successfully, on time, on budget, and ensure quality work. Project management is the practice of planning, organizing, and executing the tasks needed to create product or service. Project management is need for time save, cost save, successfully deliver of project. High-level project monitoring and controlling process create, ensure quality work, instant decision make, reduce on mental stress, customer and employee satisfaction, and manage project risk. Project management constraints are scope, time, resource, cost, quality, procurement, risk, and communication. Project management phases are initial phase, planning phase, execution phase, monitor and controlling phase, and closure phase. Role of project manager: develop work plan, develop resource plan, develop financial plan, develop quality plan, develop risk and communication plan, manage project team, monitor and control project plan, increase customer satisfaction, and monitor project risk.